Hi everybody, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so happy that you're here today. Today we're going to be doing a giveaway. This is the fourth giveaway I'm going to be doing for cleaning out my yarn room, and I'm going to be showing you the yarn options that are available for you guys to choose from. And please remember that this is a giveaway. It is sponsored only by myself and my husband, not in any way sponsored by YouTube or any other yarn company. There are rules for entering this giveaway. You must be 18 years old, and please, I encourage you to read all of the rules. They'll be in the description box below. Read the rules before you enter so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. And if you want to enter, then I will ask you guys to put a comment for each one of these yarn offerings that you're interested in. If you like all of them, put all of the words that go along with the yarns that you would like to win, have an opportunity to win. On the date that I put on the video, again, I'm not sure of the dates of this yet, so I'll put them on my face here where it will run from date to date. On that last date, I will pick a winner using YouTube random comment generator picker, and filter all the comments based on the words, so that you do have to put in for each one of these that you want to win. And it also ensures that you get what you want, because you might not like all of these. Again, you must be a subscriber to my channel to participate in this giveaway. I like to do these giveaways as a thank you to the people who subscribe to my channel, and so I ask that you must be subscribed to my channel, and I would also like to ask that you be subscribed publicly to my channel. I am trying to do my giveaways where I don't show everybody's subscriptions, but it just depends on how it will work. I'll either show my back studio or your channel, but I won't show everything you're subscribed to. But I do need to see that you are subscribed to me publicly, because I want to do this as a thank you for those of you who are subscribed to my channel. So let's just go ahead and get into it. The first yarn I'm going to give is from my favorite dyer, Diana Dye. Now this yarn may not be for everybody, but this is the yarn. It's beautiful. This is a lace weight yarn. This is called Graphite 370 by Flaxen Silk yarn, which is 65% mulberry silk, 35% linen. This is 1,500 meters, 1,640 yards. This is kind of like a very, very light lace weight. It's like cobweb lace. That's the thread. Here, I think I actually have two threads. I want you to see how light this is. That's the thread. And that's the label on it. And it's this one skein, but this one skein is like 1,600. But again, it's a very light lace weight yarn in the color graphite, which is like a gray with some blue tones in it. Really beautiful. And that's the first one. Let's see. We'll just say the word for this will be graphite. Graphite. First offering. The next yarn offering I have is from Tiki Yarn and Wool Merino Singles. It's a sock yarn. It's this one skein. This is 100% merino wool. I believe it is superwash, but it's from Germany, and it is it's superwash wool. It's 400 yards, 100 grams, and the color is chai latte. It's a really nice neutral. It's got some browns and some darker browns to the blacks of pop, and a little bit of rust in there. Really pretty. The word for this skein will be the word latte, Latte. Let's see if I can show it. Well, she wrote it, but it's just that word, Latte. And then the next yarn offering I have is going to be some yarn left over from my monetization giveaway. I have 5 skeins of Cloudborn Pima Cotton DK yarn. This is 100% Pima Cotton. DK weight, the color is powder blue. There are 231 yards per skein, 100 grams. Really beautiful, soft yarn. Again, there's 5 skeins, so that's like over 1,000 yards, probably over 1,100. The word for this will just be the word powder, Powder, and that's what they look like. The next yarn offering for this giveaway is going to be from Turtle Pearl. This is a set of the Turtle Pearl striped turtle toes, and oops, this is Octopus Garden. This is a teals and pink and purple and a little bit of beige. It knits up like that. It's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, a 4-ply yarn, 450 yards per 100 grams. So you get these two for the 2 socks, and then there's this mini skein in the teal. This brings the yardage up to 525 yards. The word for this will be octopus, Octopus. The next offering I have is a worsted weight yarn. Now this yarn is 3 skeins of Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. This is what the color ends up looking like. I have a little bit left over of a skein, and I'll throw that in. Maybe I just should hold it up. There's 3 skeins of this yarn, and that's what it looks like color wise. It's a striped yarn. It's called a sugar plum stripes. Really cute. Pinks, purples, greens. Each one of these skeins has 251 yards. So there's 3 of these, which means a little bit over 750 yards for these 3 skeins. And it's 100% soft acrylic, really nice. And again, I love this yarn in stripe print. For the word for this, how about we'll just use the word sugar, Sugar. Okay, now the last offering I have for today is some cotton yarn. These 2 skeins, this is Cascade Yarns Ultra Pima Cotton Yarn. This is 100% cotton, and it's 100 grams, which is 220 yards per skein. It's our 200 meters. This color is a number, which is 3719, but it's just like a light tan color, very neutral color. So it's like 440 yards of this yarn in cotton. And again, I think it's either a worsted or a DK. So those 2 skeins. For the word on this, we'll use the word Pima, Pima, not Ultra Pima. We'll just do the word Pima to keep it simple. Alright, so there you go. Those are the 4 offerings for this giveaway number 4. I hope you find something that you like. If you do, don't forget, put the words down below in the comments, and we will do the giveaway on the date that I end up picking, when I can look at my schedule and figure out what this works best with my schedule. And I wish you all the best of luck. If you are new, I'd love to have you join our family. So beautiful, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you for watching this video, and please take care of yourself, stay safe, stay cool, And I will see y'all very, very soon. Bye-bye.